Okay, as you guys can see here, this is the dry bee balm, and these are the little seeds right there. See them around my finger there? There. Let me get a closer shot there. And all I really did was I took this and I just kind of, you know, rubbed it between my fingers. There's another one falling out. It's kind of hard to do it when you hold the phone. And there's another one. Here, there you go. And you just kind of pick them apart. And then I use tweezers to pick them up and just kind of store them. But I do have a bunch, so I think I got 8 heads, 9 including this one. I'll show you how many I end up with at the end. Okay guys, I'm back for a quick minute. I want you to see where they are. And if I just kind of, oh, it just fell out. But they're right in the center there. Here we go. And if I just kind of move them, see that one right there by my thumb? Getting ready to fall out. Yeah. They're right in the middle there. So if I just kind of bend this back, you can see them. I just kind of flick up. There's another one. But yeah, it's right in the center there. So if you can like squish this down and open it up, you see them in there, right in there. There we go. Yep, it's right in the center there. So if I pick up a big one here, that you can see them. There we go. Yeah, see them down in there? Right there. There it is, right there by my, it's gonna fall out. There it goes. All right, just want to give you a little better look of where I'm finding them. And here's another method. You can put them dried in there and shake them and get the seeds out. Or folks, let's just be honest, you can just plant the whole head and it will grow a patch of them. But there we go, dried flowers, and you just shake them. And then all the seeds fall out. Your choice. But that's the bee balm I dried, and now I'm harvesting seeds. Hope you click like and subscribe and comment, please. If you like it, say thank you, like, whatever. Just give me some comments.